Hello everyone, welcome to this special YouTube hop. So today we have a YouTube hop which is everything about Stamperia. Yes, so sometime back we had shown you a surprise mystery kit that we received from Stamperia, and this hop is specially for them. So a few of us artists are going to be showing you some projects with complete tutorials that we are creating using this kit that Stamperia sent us. Like we showed you earlier, they have some fabulous range of products. The kit video is going to be linked in the description box below, so you can have a look at it. Now today for the particular hop, we're designing a steampunk box. So this is an old style trunk sort of a box which we're going to alter, creating a nice steampunk box for ourselves. So for this we're going to be using the clockwise collection and a paper from that with some elements already fussy cut and some tone elements. We're also using a lot of their mixed media pastes. So as and when we begin, we'll let you know about that. There's stencils, there's stamps and some home decor paints. So let's set this aside and begin our first step. So for the first step, we're going to use this home decor paint, the chalky finish by Stamperia, cream color, and coat the entire surface with that. So in that way, the entire surface of the box is now covered. A tip that we always share when working with boxes is that make a marking at where the lid ends and just cover the rim with some scotch tape so that later on if any medium goes on top you can easily remove it and the box always opens and closes perfectly. So that's something that you can keep in mind when working with boxes. So now with our base covered, we're good to proceed with our further steps. Now what we're going to do is we're going to glue down these two pieces of paper which were torn from this bigger sheet from the clockwise collection, like this on one corner and this one over here, using the mixed media glue. So Stamperia's mixed media glue is really good when it comes to gluing down these pieces of paper. And also just using a little bit of the glue to cover the top of the paper, because we'll be doing a lot of mixed media layering, and this will protect the paper from further mediums as well. Now let's use a stencil. So this big one which says time machine has some steampunk like elements, and using some sculpture paste, let's stencil the pattern. So in that way, slightly going over the paper as well, and adding this stencil on the base. Now for the sides, let's use a different stencil of these clocks and Stamperia Mixed Media Art Texture Sand Paste Snow White. So in the same way, let's just stencil the sides of the box. Now time to add some crackle paste. So again using Stamperia's Mixed Media Art transparent crackle paste with a palette knife. And focusing mainly on the edges and just very randomly adding it for some additional texture. So that's a look at the box with all the gorgeous colors so far. Now, using a flat brush and the Stamperia brown patina gel, let's just darken a few areas, especially under the paper. So you just need very little and dab it and then just lightly spread it. In the same way, just add some depth to the corners and edges of the box. And now it's all about creating a focal element with the fussy cut pieces, some assorted chipboard and metal elements. So just play around and see how the elements look good and where. So once you've decided the focal arrangement, it's time to add some color to the embellishments. So here I'm quickly going to show you. This actually is from one of these. So this is the Stamperia silicone mold and this is one of the snowflakes, but on the box, once it's converted, it adds as an element to the steampunk collection. So to set this in the mold, I've used the Stamperia Ceramica powder and they give me some great elements for different projects. And then I just sprayed some inks to color them and highlighted the texture with some waxes. So I'm just going to add these. So that adds to my steampunk clock. The Stamperia Glossy Gel Heavy Body Paste is very good to adhere elements down. Now to color the chipboard pieces, I'm just going to use different colored waxes and coat the MDF pieces with that. And I'm also going to use the patina gel brown to add in a darker brown color which goes with this whole background as well. So in that similar manner, I'm going to add color to my MDF pieces, and for my metal pieces I'm just going to slightly dab them randomly with the patina brown gel to give them that aged steampunk look. So with all the elements colored, now it's time to just glue them down, and I just use my finger to apply the gel. With that done, all our elements are down in place, and you can just, to highlight a few areas and give a darker tone, we can use the patina gel brown again, just slightly with the finger, and highlight a few areas on the side. So with the sides now a bit darkened, that's a look at the entire box. So at some places there's this extra depth and the shading just adds value, and it all together gives it a very aged vintage steampunk look that we had in mind for the box. Now to just finish it off, using glue and adding these fine micro beads which we have in a very dark blue and a copperish color, very randomly around the entire composition. So with that done, now the box is complete, and you can see how effective all of these Stamperia products were to bring this entire steampunk look together on this box. So we really hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Now do hop with us, visit every artist's channel and check their tutorial that they've created to inspire you with this amazing range of Stamperia products. And you can also enter then the giveaway to win some amazing prizes from Stamperia. So all you have to do is like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave us a comment, and in the comment do leave us your name and your country so that it's easy when we have to contact you for the prizes in case you win. Enjoy this hop, and until our next time, take care and bye-bye.